everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make a loving motu pinata cake. Here we have chopped white chocolate. Melt it in the microwave or using a double boiler method. Mix it well till it's lump free. This is a dome-shaped silicone mold. Pour the melted chocolate into the mold and turn it around to coat the base and sides. Remove the extra and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, getting on with the second coating. Go over the sides with spoon and more chocolate. Scrape the extra and refrigerate again. Unmold it carefully and make 2 of these domes. Let's start with fondant work. Here I am making the mustache, eyes, nose, eyebrows, hairline and ears. I am filling one of the dome with vanilla choco chip tea cake and some candies. On a hot pan, melt the edges of the other dome and place it over it and seal it well. Dab some water on the hairline and stick it as shown. Next goes the eyes. eyebrows, ears, mustache, and finally the big fat nose. Finish it with red collar band to complete the look. Our lovely cutie motu face is now ready for smashing.